Imagine a world where massive ice sheets cover entire continents and the global temperature is significantly colder than it is today. This was the reality of the Last Glacial Period, often simply called the Ice Age. For early humans, survival was not guaranteed. Yet, against incredible odds, our ancestors didn't just endure, they adapted, innovated, and spread across the globe. How did they manage to overcome such a harsh, freezing environment? The secret lies in their ingenuity, resourcefulness, and social cooperation. One of the most critical factors in human survival was the mastery of fire. Fire was not just a tool for warmth, it was a multi-purpose lifeline. Early humans used it to cook food, which made nutrients easier to digest and eliminated harmful bacteria. It provided a focal point for social gatherings and offered vital protection against large predators during the dark, freezing nights. Without the controlled use of fire, establishing permanent or semi-permanent camps in these frigid regions would have been nearly impossible. As temperatures plummeted, traditional ways of protecting the human body became obsolete. Early humans had to pioneer advanced clothing and shelter technologies. They utilized sharp stone tools to scrape animal hides clean, making them soft and pliable. By inventing specialized bone needles, they could sew these hides tightly together, creating tailored, insulated clothing that trapped body heat. For shelter, they constructed sturdy huts using mammoth bones, wood, and heavy hides, providing crucial defense against howling blizzards. Finding sustenance in a frozen landscape required a shift in strategy. Gathering plants became difficult during long winters, forcing early humans to rely heavily on hunting. They targeted large megafauna, such as mammoths, woolly rhinoceroses, and wild horses. These animals provided vast amounts of meat, fat, and bone. Hunting such formidable creatures required advanced tools like the atlatl or spear thrower, which increased the range and velocity of their weapons, keeping hunters at a safer distance. Individual survival was nearly impossible in the Ice Age. Community was everything. Humans lived in highly organized social groups or tribes. They shared food, looked after the sick and injured, and passed down vital survival knowledge from one generation to the next. This cultural transmission ensured that younger members learned how to track animals, find water, and identify medicinal plants, creating a collective memory that was essential for the group's long-term endurance. Finally, adaptability drove early humans to move. As ice sheets shifted and animal herds migrated, human populations followed. This constant movement led them across land bridges that no longer exist today, such as Beringia, which connected Siberia to modern-day Alaska. By tracking their food sources, humans slowly expanded their territory, eventually populating almost every corner of the planet. Through shared knowledge, technological innovation, and sheer resilience, our ancestors conquered the frost.